And on top of that, any purchases made through that link will help will help go. What's up, y'all? It's Judas. I want to make sure I take some time to tell you guys about this partnership I have with Into the AM, a really dope clothing company based here in California. And I just want to remind you guys that any of the clothing that you see in this video, you can find it on their online store. And if you use this link right here, you get 10% off anytime you shop on their online store. And on top of that, any purchases made through that link will help support my channel. So I'd appreciate it if you guys support them, and in turn you'll be supporting me. So let's get right into it. I'm actually wearing one of their shirts right now. So this is the maroon basic tee. Very comfortable. Their shirts are made out of a polyester cotton blend, so it gives it that really smooth, very comfortable feel. I'm actually wearing the extra large and I really like the way it fits on me. But let's get right into the graphic tees. So the first one I want to tell you about is this Universal Love graphic tee. As you can see, it's really cool design, very detailed, and that's with all of the Into the AM clothing, very detailed. And on the back you'll see the Into the AM logo. The cool thing about this also is that this actually glows in the dark under a black light, so if you're at like a party or something, so this will really stand out, so that's really cool. And then at the very bottom of this shirt you have the Into the AM logo also. You can see that. Very cool. The second shirt I want to tell you guys about is this one. So this is the Overgrown Tee. Their graphic tees are absolutely amazing. The design, the detail, and the artwork is so good. In the back, the logo again. But maybe the graphic tees aren't your style. If you like this, the more basic style, they have 12 colors to choose from. So this is one of their basic tee colors. So this is the navy blue. All the shirts are very comfortable. Very classic style, nothing on the back. What I like also is there's no tags. And on the very bottom, very clean. So this is one of their basic tees. This is the navy blue. We have the olive green. This is my absolute favorite color. And then we have the black. But again, like I said, there's 12 colors to choose from. Right now they have a cool special, 3 of the basic tees for $40, so that's a really good price. So everything in this store is really affordable. You're not gonna break the bank trying to buy a new outfit or new clothing. So that's what I really like about the brand. They're not an over-the-top priced brand, so I really like that. So with their basic tees, very comfortable, very clean design. Like I said, this is the extra large that I'm wearing, and it's very comfortable. I also want to make sure I tell you guys about their t-shirt club. It's a monthly subscription. You get one of their graphic tees every month at an affordable price. And if you use my promo code, you get a free t-shirt the first month. So I highly suggest it. So feel free to send me any questions that you guys might have. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure to smash the like button.